Hello, welcome to my workshop where I will be explaining how to install the downlight. So this is a downlight. So just take this out. Okay. So this is the diameter is about 60 mil, but make sure the instructions comes with it mostly. Make sure you actually follow the instructions very carefully, or if you haven't got this paper, just follow my instructions as far as I make it simple as possible for you. So this is the downlight, okay, and this is where the input goes: positive, negative, and earth, as you can see. Okay, you see? Yeah, okay. So that goes in. These are the spring loaded, so when you cut the right size of the hole, you just push it in. Make sure, if this is a 60 mil, make sure you cut it about 65 mil diameter, and make sure there is no cable or pipes or water pipes or anything on its way. So make sure you are away from it. And the other thing is, you have to make sure when you install this, make sure there's enough space around it so the air could go through and keep it cool. Okay, and make sure you don't go through the joist or anything, or a pipe. Okay, so let's have a look. So how we're going to install is this. So we're going to install this. These are the two terminals going in, so like this. So you just press this in, you can see, press it down and then twist. So this is ready to fit into the system. Okay, so make sure when you push it through the holes, you holding this up and then push it, and then suddenly it locks it down like this. Okay, so this is the way it should be done. Make sure your electricity is turned off first, and make sure you have a proper tools and equipment before you start insulating it into the ceiling. Okay, fine. So this is it. So this bulb is 5 watts and it's a 240 volts supply. So okay, so here we go. So you make sure put L in there. Okay, cut this bit more. So just press this in. Okay, this earth, make sure this will go in, and then neutral. Okay, make sure you close it. Okay, and then on. Voila. Okay, this is it. This is the light. It comes on. So to make sure once you fit it in, it's not touching any cables, pipes, or any joists. And make sure you keep the distance around clear, about 50 mil at least. Yes, 50 millimeters around it. Make sure the air actually circulates around it to keep it cool. So this is it. Okay, switch it off. You can actually take this out if you want to replace the bulb. Take it out. There it is. Put it back in. There you go. It's all nice and fitted. Switch it on again. Off it goes. Okay, let's put this in. Fine. Okay. So make sure when you do things, install, make sure your main electricity is off, the whole installation is correct, and all the wires are correct in the right position, and that is the only things you have to keep in mind, the safety first. So once it's all completely clear, switch it on, and then you get the result. So don't forget, this is actually the earth, so this requires the earth lead as well with it. So make sure you follow the instructions, and please do subscribe and also comments, please. Thank you very much, and I will keep on bringing us small and simple projects for you, so you become familiar with the electricity. Thank you.